Hello, this is Zebula from CU Research Computing. Today I will be showing you how to schedule Slurm jobs using Sandstone. We'll start by opening the Slurm Assist app. The first step when scheduling a job is to select a profile, which is just a short description of what type of job you'd like to run. We just want to run a quick test job right now, so we will select Janus Debug. The form is pre-populated with suggested and required values to help get us started. One node looks fine, but it won't take 30 minutes for this job to run. Let's change that. I want to set the time limit to 5 minutes. As you can see, as we are typing, the form is checking to see whether or not we have a valid value for each field. Right now the time is in an invalid format, so the field is in red and the directive does not appear in the directives preview on the left. If at any point we would like to have more information on a particular field, we can click the Help button attached to the form field. So we see these are the two acceptable formats for dates on this field. So let's enter 5 minutes in one of those formats. Now that we have our time value sorted out, let's add an output file for the job to write to. To add a field, click on the Add Directives type ahead. We can pick the directive out of the list or type to narrow the options. Now, let's select the desired option to add it to the form. We'll then click on it to select a file path for the output. And we'll use the file tree to select where we want the output to go. So test output.txt. Now we'll click select path and the file path has been designated. Now that we have all the options we want, let's find out how much CPU time this job might charge. We'll click on cost estimate and a table will pop up showing the worst case cost possible for the given options. So we see the worst case cost would be 60 CPU minutes. Now, let's add some code for this job to run. We'll do so by entering script contents into the script editor on the left. Let's just have this job print out the value of host name to standard out. We are now ready to save our script and schedule the job. So we'll click Schedule Job and then select where we'd like to save our SBatch script. You'll see we get a confirmation that the job was submitted successfully. To view the status of the job, we'll click on the Status tab, and then we'll click Refresh. A listing of current jobs will be loaded. We can view details for each job by clicking on Job Details. To view more details, click on the eye icon. And this will be all the details for the job that are available. To reduce the list again, just toggle the eye icon again. So today we learned how to schedule and view the status of a job using Sandstone. Thank you, and please feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below.